Hello, myself Pranav Udani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed BSc Computer Science from SP College, Pune, and I have done my master from PVG College of Science, Pune. Today's date it is 31 March 2022. This is original video. Today's topic is history of Java. So, Java is developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1991. The first version of JDK developed in 1995. The meaning of Java is coffee. The meaning of Java is coffee. When the Java was developed, it was developed by the some feature. That features are platform independent features, secure, simple, robust, multi-threading, garbage collection. We will see one by one. First one is simple. Java is very simple to learn because its syntax is similar to the C and C++, and does not support the pointer. Second one is platform independent. When we compile the Java code, which is converted into the bytecode. The bytecode is platform independent. The meaning of platform independent is we can use it in any platform like Windows OS, Linux OS, or Mac OS. Third one is security. Java is one of the most secure programming language among the all programming language because it doesn't support pointer, and all the Java programs are runs in the JVM. JVM provide the most security features. The fourth one is object oriented feature. The Java is object oriented programming language. The feature object oriented feature means everything is inside object. We store the every information inside the object. We write all the code inside the class only. Fourth feature is robust. The meaning of robust is strong. The Java is robust because of the feature of multi-threading and exceptional handling. Now the next one is garbage collection in Java. When when we created the object, it allocate memory to the object or variable. But when it is not used, we have to deallocate from it. In other languages like C++, we have to use destructor or some other feature to deallocate the object from memory. But Java provide the independent feature for that. We don't have to do it manually. Java JVM is responsible for the automatic garbage collection. Architecture architecture neutral. The Java is architecture neutral because the size of primitive data type is the same all over the Java. For example, in the C or example in the C or C++, the in the 32-bit processor the size of integer is 2 bytes, and in the 64-bit processor it grows up to the 4 byte. But in Java the integer is all over the 4 byte. The next one is the faster access. Java is very faster as compared to the other programming language like C and C++. Now the for run the Java program, we have to install the Java development kit, which is short form is JDK. Till now the total 18 version of JDK was released. The first version name is Alpha and Beta, which is developed in 1995. The latest version of Java is 18, which is developed recently in 2022. The JDK consists of Java runtime environment and JVM. Java runtime environment provides the runtime environment to compile the Java code and to execute it, and JVM is responsible for all the execution of program and provide the security. Now we will see the detailed architecture of JVM because it is very important feature in Java. The first one is class loader. The class loader load the class file, means when we create the new Java file, its extension is .java. The class loader loads the dot class file of dot java file. The next feature, the next one is method area. In the method area, the class level information like class variable, class methods are stored. The next one is heap area. In heap area, all the variables and the stores. Next one is in the execution engine. JIT compiler is responsible for the shorten the code. If the one of the instruction is repeated thousands times, it combine all the instruction and execute it. That is all about the history and combined introduction of Java. Thank you.